Hmm, I want to get into programming, but I don't know which programming language to learn.
Choosing the right programming language can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. But let me tell you something. 99% of the time, asking yourself this question is often missing the forest for the trees.
Wait, what? But isn't the programming language important?
No, here's the truth. You are not getting into programming to learn a programming language. You want to build software solutions, create applications, and bring your ideas to life. So, the real question you should be asking yourself is this: what do I want to build? If your goal is to build mobile apps, then learn Kotlin for Android. Or Swift for iOS and macOS may be the best bet for you. If you are interested in web development, JavaScript is a must-know language. The key here is to align your choice of programming language with the type of software you want to create.
That makes sense. So it's not about the language itself, but about the end result.
Exactly. The first programming language I learned was Python. I chose it because I read somewhere that it was the easiest programming language to learn. But here's the thing: I've never built anything substantial with Python until I defined what I wanted to create. Remember, the programming language is just a tool, it's a means to an end. Once you identify the kind of software you want to build, the language choice becomes clearer.
I see. So it's all about focusing on my goals and finding the language that best suits me.
Exactly. But let's dive a bit deeper. Each programming language has its own strengths and areas of application. Let me give you a brief overview of a few programming languages to help you understand their typical uses. Python, known for its simplicity and versatility, is widely used in various domains including web development, data analysis, and automation. It's a great language for beginners to grasp the fundamentals of programming. JavaScript, the language of the web, allows you to create interactive and dynamic websites. It is essential for front-end development and is often used alongside HTML and CSS. If you are interested in mobile development, Swift is the language for iOS and macOS apps, while Kotlin is gaining popularity for Android development. Java, a robust and widely adopted language, is used for building enterprise-level applications, Android applications, and server-side development. C Sharp, another versatile language, is commonly used for Windows development, game development with Unity, and back-end web development with the .NET framework. Wow, there are so many options. How do I choose? Great question. Here's the practical approach. Start by considering the type of software you want to build. Think about your interests and long-term goals. Are you passionate about data analysis? Do you see yourself developing mobile apps or web applications? Understanding your aspirations will help guide you towards your appropriate programming language and avoid programming hell. You can explore the job market and industry trends. Look at job postings for the language in demand. However, keep in mind that technology evolves rapidly and new languages and frameworks emerge frequently. So, don't solely base your decision on current trends. It is also worth considering the resources available to you. Are there active developer communities or local meetups for certain languages? Access to learning materials, tutorials, and documentations can greatly enhance your learning experience.
I see. So it's a combination of personal interest, industry demand, and available resources.
Exactly. Remember, learning programming is a journey, and you are likely to learn multiple languages throughout your career. The key is to start with one language that aligns with your initial goals and gradually expand on your skill set. Remember, it's not about the language, it's about what you want to build. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.